Hi, good afternoon. This is the Blessed Man. In this video, I want to quickly show you how you can actually migrate your account if you are in MetaForce and you are having problems with your MetaForce accessing your Trust Wallet accessing MetaForce. Maybe your account is not working, your Classic is not showing, displaying, you are not able to mint your NFT. This short video is going to show you how you can actually solve this problem. What you need to do is that you need to move your account to MetaMask. You need to move your account to MetaMask and not just using MetaMask. You're going to be using Chromium based browser for you to be able to access MetaForce without having problems. So this video is going to be in two parts. I'm not going to cover how you're going to actually download the Chromium based browser. There's another video for it. But all you need to do is you go to Play Store, and then if you go to Play Store, you download this particular there's this browser called Kiwi browser. If you go to Play Store, let me see, Play Store, can I find Play Store? Yeah, if you go to Play Store, you type Kiwi browser. This is Kiwi browser. You can see right now it's saying open. Your own will be saying install. Just install this, and then when you install it, you need to add it as a Chrome extension. You need to add it as a Chrome extension. You're going to follow the prompt from this Kiwi browser how you can actually add it as a Chrome extension. Once you are able to successfully add it as a Chrome extension, then you now have this browser. You can be able to use it. This is how the browser look like. Okay, this is the browser here. That is what I'm using to access my MetaForce account. You can add a new tab, right? So this is how the browser looks like. And okay, so what you're going to do is that you go to extension. If you click on extension, for instance, you can see here, when you see this extension, you click on from store, and from there it's going to lead you to how. Make sure that you click on developer mode. Just click on this developer mode here. You're seeing. Okay, let me on my demonstration. Okay, so let me go back to this. Okay, so when you come here, all right, so you're going to make sure that you on this developer mode here. So make sure you on the developer mode, and then after on developer mode, you're going to click here from store. Right, when you click here, you now locate this MetaMask. Just when you locate MetaMask, you just add it as an extension. Once you add it, you can see here it's on. It means that I have added this as an extension in my wallet. All right, so once you on it, that is, you have tried to solve the number one problem of having your MetaForce account working correctly. So once you have done this, what I want to show you now is, of course, it is simply going to your your Trust Wallet. When you go to your Trust Wallet, you copy out your secret phrase. You know how to get your secret phrase. Click on the name of your wallet and then click on show secret phrase. So when you copy your secret phrase, you now go to, when you come to this, let me just open up this. So when I click on this, extension MetaMask, and it is going to open my MetaMask account here. It's going to open my MetaMask account here. So what I need to do is to log in. So now that I am logged in into my MetaMask account using this Chrome extension here, once I am logged in, the first time you're going to be logging in, it's going to be asking you to create a new account or to import. Just click on import and then enter this your 12 secret phrase from Trust Wallet. Once you enter it, you will now get here. This is the interface of MetaMask. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do is that you are going to be here on this Ethereum mainnet. This Ethereum mainnet, where's my brush? Okay, where's my brush? You are going to be initially be on this Ethereum mainnet, right? So what you are going to do is you have to change the network to Polygon network. So what you do is click here, and then you're going to be adding this network. You're going to be adding this network just like by clicking add network. If you click on add network, it's going to ask you to add the network, but I've already added my own. So this is it here. This is the various network here. All you need to do is to come here and search for Polygon. Search for Polygon. All right. If you search for Polygon main network, and once you search for Polygon here, I've already added my own, so I've added this. So when you search it and the thing comes out here, you are going to be seeing the Polygon main network here, right? So you just click on add. Once you add it, you now come back here. You now come back you come back here and click on Polygon mainnet. All right, so this is now a Polygon. So what you're going to do here, once you come here, is to, now you have imported your account here, then you have to access your MetaForce account. I'm going to be doing another video on how to access the MetaForce account from here. All right, so now I'm going to show you, assuming you have two MetaForce account that is running on Trust Wallet, what are you going to do? How do you migrate all of them to this MetaMask? Because MetaMask will only accept one account by you putting your secret phrase. If you are going to add another account, like if I click here now, I have several accounts here, but you can see imported, all of them are imported. So if I want to import another account here, if I click on import account, this is what it's going to be showing me. It's going to be showing me enter private key instead of telling me to enter my passphrase. So it's going to be a problem to you. How are you going to get this your private key? That is what I'm going to show you now. I'm going to move one account from my MetaForce account, from my Trust Wallet account to this particular account. I'm going to tell you how you're going to do this to get this private key and then import this account here, right? So what do we do? What are we going to do? What we're going to do is to simply, you need to download another app. You need to download another app. Go to your Play Store. Go to your Play Store, and you're going to be downloading Token Pocket. All right. Download Token Pocket. I've already downloaded my own. You can see it here. This is Token Pocket, right? So download it and then open the app. Once you open the app, download Token Pocket, you open it here. This is going to help you. You're going to move your account from Trust Wallet to Token Pocket, and then from Token Pocket, you can now export your private key to what is it called now, to MetaMask. So I'm going to be doing this now by trying to what you're going to do when you come here, you click on assets. All right, so on top of this place you can see this thing that looks like camera. All right, but if you open Token Pocket for the first time, it's going to ask you to import. It's going to ask you to either import or create new account. So but this is for Token Pocket that has account in it already. So I click here to add another account. So it is the same process. It is the same process. So when you click here, it will ask you to, if you want to import. Yes, I'm importing something that is on Polygon network. So I select Polygon, then I'll click on import. All right, I'll click on recovery phrase. All right, so I'm going to pause this video and enter this account, and then import this account into this place. So what you do is just come here and enter those 12 secret phrases, separating them by space. Then put the name here. Let me just put the name, acquired MetaForce. All right. So I'm going to pause the video. I'll come back here when I have finished importing account. When you enter it, you put your password, repeat your password, and then click I have read and carefully done this. So you just import the account. All right, now I have fully imported this account. You can see it's acquired MetaForce. So I have imported this. So what I do is that I'll come here, look at where, just come here. So click on this place that says me. Just click on it and then click on manage wallets. Then I'll locate that wallet acquired. I'll click on this arrow here at the end. So I'll click on export private key. I'll have to enter my password. Okay, so let me pause the video and enter my password. So once you finish entering your password, you just click on confirm. So once you click on confirm, right, so you click on this box, on these boxes. All right, so once you click on these boxes, you click on next. So after you have clicked on it, you click on next, you will now see your private key. So just what you do is to just click on copy. So copy it. Now that you have copied it, what you need to do is to come back to your Chromium based browser, which is Kiwi. You come back here on your MetaMask here, click on this and then click on import accounts. Click on import accounts. So once you click on import account, you paste your private key and click on import. So you can see that account is here, is showing account 9. So I have to go and change the name. I'll click on this place and change the name to acquired MetaForce. All right. So what you need to do here now, you close it. Look at this account right now. Let me just refresh this. But as this account is now, it's not connected to MetaForce. So I'm going to try to connect it. Okay, so in this account now, you can see here, you can see not connected. When you look at this here, you can see not connected. So what you need to do is to click on this and then okay, they said the MetaMask is not connected, so let's try and see if we can connect it. Let's try and see if we can connect it. All right, manually connect site. Click on manually connect site. Then I will locate this manually connect site. So click on next. All right, click on connect. The thing will connect. You can see it written connected. All right, so now that it is connected, what you need to do right now is to just go ahead and then click on this browser here and then enter metaforce that's meta/force.site. all right, so just click here. So look at this. When you click here, you are in MetaForce site. You just come here, click on login, then choose this particular MetaMask. So but you need to go and give access to this. So just come here in this place, locate this MetaMask. You will see that it is requiring that you sign up. So you sign. Okay, so it's telling me to connect. So let me connect. So it will tell you to sign. You have to sign before. If you go back to this, go to MetaForce, now you can see that the account has been opened. Right, so just go here and refresh. So everything in the account is working perfectly. So I'm going to be showing you in another video how you can work on this and then mint your NFTs and everything to make this thing working. So now I want to demonstrate to you how you can further work and solve some of the problems that you are having in your MetaForce account. Some of the problems you're going to encounter the first time is that when you use the Chromium based browser to access MetaForce sites, the first instance is that the thing is going to be rotating, and it will keep on rotating. So the problem is that you have not granted access to the site. You need to go back to MetaMask extension and sign into the site. Okay, so when you click on sign, it will be able to access MetaForce back office. Right. Another problem is that when you're trying to do other things in MetaForce back office, maybe trying to mint your NFTs, there are going to be some prompts that you need to confirm in your MetaMask. So you need to leave the window where you are and go back to MetaMask and be able to grant those permissions for you to proceed in what you're going to do. So I'm going to be using one of the accounts here to demonstrate to us. So remember that I have explained to you how you can move your account from Trust Wallet and move your account to MetaMask. If you are importing multiple accounts, I've also shown you, because after you have added the first account in MetaMask, you won't be able to import another account with secret phrase. What you need to import is with private key, and for you to get private key, what you do is that you move from your Trust Wallet and move the account from Trust Wallet to Token Pocket, and from Token Pocket you export the account and then get the private key, then go to MetaMask and import the account using the private key so that you can go ahead and work. So if you do all these things, you're not going to have any form of problem in your account again. So I'm going to be demonstrating. So let me go back to my Kiwi browser. And then I'll go to my Chrome extension and enter my MetaMask. So once I enter my MetaMask here, I'm going to be using one of the accounts here to access MetaForce. So what I do, I'll click here and then I'll select the account that I want to use. This particular account, I've already imported it. So another thing that you know here, what you need to do, this is only Polygon Matic or that is showing here. You need to add your DAO stablecoin, you need to add your USDT. What you need to do here, if you click on import tokens, so you're going to be required to enter the token address and so on. So for you to solve this problem, you need to go to CoinMarketCap, or just go to Google and type DAO stablecoin contract address, DAO stablecoin POS contract address, or DAO stablecoin on Polygon network contract address. You will be able to go to Google, will be able to direct you to let me demonstrate this and see if it's going to work. But the best place for you to get it is on CoinMarketCap. If you go to CoinMarketCap, you search for DAO stablecoin, and then if you search for DAO stablecoin, you will be able to go click and get the contract address. So let me see the DAO stablecoin on Polygon contracts address. Okay, so this is it here, token POS DAO stablecoin. So just click on this first one that shows here, just click on it. You can see this is the contract address here. So this is the contract address. So you just click on this and copy this. So when you copy it, you go back here, click on imports, put the contract address here, and you can see that MetaMask has put other details, the symbols and the decimal. So just click on add. All right, so in that way your DAO stablecoin has been added, right? So let me go to assets. Okay, it's not showing yet. Okay, so let me go ahead and demonstrate what I want to do. We'll come back to this issue of adding other tokens here. So once you are in this account right now, make sure that this thing is connected. Make sure that it is actually connected here. You can see where you wrote connected. If it is not connected, I've showed you in earlier of this video how you can connect this. All right, so once this is connected, what you now need to do is to just go here on this browser and type MetaForce meta/-first.site or .space, anyone that you want. So just click here. So look at it here. So now you click on login. Once you click on login, you select MetaMask. So you can see the thing will keep on rotating like this because I have not actually signed this. So if I go back to this, I'll go back to my MetaMask. I refresh it. If I refresh it, it's going to be telling me to sign. I want to sign into this particular site right now, so I'll click on sign. So once I click on sign, if I go back to this other window and click on MetaForce, you can see immediately this MetaForce is going to show forth here. So right, once it show, I will go here and I will reload. After I reload it, you can see that the account is working well. So now this account is in level 5, so I want to mint the NFT here. So what I do is that I'll first of all swap this SFC from the old SFC to the new SFC. So I'll click on this. So but if I click on this, it's not going to move until I go back to this MetaMask to grant it access. So when I come back here, I'll just refresh this. You can see that it will tell me to confirm. So I'll click on confirm here. So once I click on confirm, I'll go back to MetaForce. You can see it start processing right now. So now this has been swapped. So if I refresh this page, right now, you can see that it is now swapped. So from here, you can view your account, your classic program without no problem. You can see all your levels here. So you click here, right? Click here. You can see everything normally the way you used to see it in Trust Wallet. If you want to register somebody, you just put your MetaForce referral link here and then go ahead and register the person. All right, so let's go back to home and let's go back to home, and on this home we want to mint this NFT. So I'll click on preview here. Once I click on preview, it will tell me to create. I'll click on create. So once I click on create, I need to go back also and grant access on this MetaMask. I'll refresh. So once I refresh, there are two access I'll grant here. The first one I'll confirm. Right, I'll confirm the first one. If I refresh again, it will also ask me to confirm allow token. Right, so okay, so let me go back here and then select this. Okay, you can see that it has minted this NFT immediately. All right, so it has minted this NFT. So if I click on this NFT right now, if I click on it, all right, okay, so I've already clicked on it. So this is the NFT here. If I click on it, I will want to charge this NFT with the little SFC I have. So I'll just go click by currency. What I have here is 155 stable first classic. So I will enter that 155 and click on upgrade. So I'll go back to grant access. I'll go back to MetaMask. I'll refresh. Make sure that you have Polygon Matic here on this account so that you can be able to pay the gas fees. You can see that this account has some little Polygon Matic there. So the first thing I'll have to confirm, access to SFC. If I refresh again, it will ask me to also grant access to allow token, right? Okay, so after that you go back to this place, so it will tell me allow token control. I'll go back there, go back to MetaMask, and then it will tell me to confirm again. I'll click on confirm. After I click on confirm, I'll go back to MetaForce, and boom, the thing will be done. Okay, so if I refresh this right now, you can see this is 0.3005, but right now it is now 155 over 3005. You can see the level of minting, level of energy that this particular NFT has gotten. The more energy you are, the more you get closer until you're able to grow to the status level of this particular NFT, where this NFT, just NFT, will now become activator NFT. So in this video, what I was able to show you is, number one, how to use a Chromium based browser to access your MetaForce account. How to use a Chromium based browser to access your MetaForce account. All right, so to access your MetaForce account. And number two, how to download this Chromium based browser, how to add it as a Chrome extension. And after that, I also showed you how you can move your account from Trust Wallet to MetaMask. And then you're going to be encountering problem if you have multiple accounts in MetaForce. Once you have imported the first one using your passphrase from Trust Wallet, for you to import another account in MetaForce, you will need a private key, and that is where we now have to use Token Pocket. You download Token Pocket, and then move your account from Trust Wallet to Token Pocket. Then from Token Pocket, you will now export your account, get the private key, and then come to MetaMask and then import the account. Then I also showed you how you can overcome some of the challenges you might be having in MetaForce. Once you want to access MetaForce site, first of all, you need to connect your MetaMask wallet to the site. Connect it manually if it is not connected. Then also you need to be granting some permissions, like you need to sign your signature into the contract address. And then also I taught you how you can be able to do other things in the site, like minting your NFT, and the type of permissions you need to grant in your MetaMask for you to do this. So with this, we have come to the end of this training, showing you how you can solve all your problems in MetaForce. And then this is the account here. You can see your NFT is in 0, your classic is in level 5. You can now register people, you can do a lot of things here. So it's time for us to get back to business, gentlemen. Begin to prospect about MetaForce, and then begin to grow your business. If you're watching this training on my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And then if you are not a member of MetaForce already, please, you can chat me up in the description of the video so that I can tell you how you can become a member of MetaForce, or you can just meet anybody that sent this video to you and get registered in MetaForce, and then let's enjoy together. Let us enjoy money together. Thank you, guys. The blessed man is here one more time. Thank you.